I teach healthy eating. Does
Okay.
that help?
Yes.
Okay.
Good afternoon. I'm Kirsten Neese, Director of Marketing for Cornerstone Homes. Today, for Tuesdays at 2, we have a really special treat. We are in the Charlotte model at the Cove at Magnolia Lakes. I'm with Julie Moon, and Julie is here to prepare a really wonderful dish for us. She teaches healthy eating and is certified nurse and does all kinds of cooking demonstrations at local farmers markets, and recently hosted a cooking class for us at the farm. So we're really pleased to have her share her talents with us today, and it's very timely. We're preparing mashed cauliflower, which is a delicious comfort food to maybe substitute for mashed potatoes. So thinking of our Thanksgiving meal. So take it away, Julie.
Thank you so much for having me. This is a quick, low glycemic, healthy dish that you can make. You can use raw cauliflower that you buy, and it would take one head. Or today, to make it easy, I went ahead and heated up one package of cauliflower florets. So all we're going to do is put them in, and we're going to use half a container of cream cheese, which will be 4 ounces, and then we're also going to put in 4 ounces of grated Parmesan. All right, then we're going to mix it up. The cream cheese was already softened, and I put in 2 garlic cloves just to give it a little flavor.
Smells delicious.
And we'll go ahead and just smash these up. And can I just say how much I appreciate you calling me? Because this is a gorgeous kitchen. I love cooking in a place where you can see and interact with all of your guests, and you're not isolated in the kitchen. So this is a great layout.
Well, I'm glad you spoke about that. You know, all of our Cornerstone Homes kitchens have a nice, entertaining kitchen. This one has the sink located in the island, which is always really nice, because a lot of times people think, oh, I want my cooktop in the island, but you actually spend more time probably at your sink than you do at your cooktop. So yeah, it is really nice, and lots of open space here and storage space for all of your cooking needs. So
yeah, so it's wonderful. So we're also going to put in half a cup of Greek yogurt, and the reason we use Greek yogurt, one is it's fermented, so it's going to be nice and creamy, but it also is lower. So what you want to, it's not high in sugar, it's low glycemic. So what you want to do is read your label and make sure that there's more protein in the yogurt than there is sugar, okay? Because usually anything that you're going to use that's real creamy and delicious is going to be high in sugar. So this will not.
excellent. That's always good to know. My daughter's super healthy and into her nutrition, and she's always saying, Mom, that has too much sugar in it. Can't eat that. So as long as it has more protein than sugar, that's kind of a good guideline.
Yes, and you can read labels and just know some things like spaghetti sauce may be high just because tomatoes are high in sugar. They're a fruit. So that's going to be, you know, something to take into consideration, but we really don't need all of this added sugar. So
and the Parmesan cheese also is a nice cheese for something like this because
it's really nice because it has more flavor than some of your milder cheeses. It's also hard, and so it has less fat in it, and so it just makes an overall good cheese. Any white cheese will be easier. That was not a good idea. Will be a better idea than using, say, a softer, creamier type of cheese.
So it's a good mix to have the cream cheese,
yes,
and then the hard white cheese versus a cheddar or something like that, like a softer yellower cheese, which you would maybe normally go with.
All right, so we're done.
So just add a little salt and pepper, and it's all done. Can you show the bowl a little bit?
I can. I'll put a little pepper. So at church, we serve this and we call it licking the bowl because I find people licking their spoons and cups. So
And fingers.
And fingers. There you go.
Well, it looks delicious. Now, can you reheat this?
You can.
So you know how on Thanksgiving Day you got to have everything ready at one time.
You could even prepare this up to as many as 3 to 4 days before. And if you just wanted to do bits and pieces, you saw how easy it was. And you could even microwave it. You can get the pre-riced cauliflower that is in a steamable bag, and you just throw it in the microwave, steam it, and then just add it in.
And you added, so it was a bag of cauliflower,
bag of cauliflower, half a cup of yogurt, half a cup of Parmesan, and half a cup of cream cheese.
And a little salt
and pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. So it's a very easy recipe, and people at Christmas will just love it that they're eating healthy, and it's delicious.
Sounds fantastic. I can't wait to try it.
Okay.
So thanks for joining us today here at the Charlotte Model. This home is currently for sale. It's also available with a nice incentive. So if you'd like to come out here this weekend, we're going to have private tours scheduled all weekend long, and we also have a couple of spec homes out here. There's 2 Carolines, which is another paired home product we sell out here. And they're also going to be on tour. So we'd love to have you come join us out here this weekend. If you'd like to learn more about that, stay tuned on our Facebook page. There's an event posting for it, and we'd love for you to RSVP, and we'd love to schedule a private tour for you to come out and see this home. You could host your holidays.
You could.
Right here in this very kitchen.
Nothing else, just come see this gorgeous kitchen.
That's right, that's right. Well, I appreciate your coming out with
Thanks
us today,
so much.
Julie. This has been really fun, and we hope to have you back again with more special treats. Everyone loves the cooking demos.
Great.
Thanks.